Hi. So, are you having problems exporting your file or sharing your iMovie file? It saves for a while and then it hangs, and then iMovie freezes, and you can't get out, and you're frustrated, don't know what's going on. Here's what works for me. I lost hours and hours and hours of time trying to figure this out. So, let me show you what works for me. This fix is so easy, but there's a little knack to it. So here's your movie. I got all my movies here, right? This one I know hangs. It's a video I made about how to change oil in a car. And so you come here to, actually first let's do this. Let me have you start your activity monitor. Okay, so Launchpad, other, usually it's in activity monitor. Go find that. And launch that in the background, okay? So here's the video, and you want to share it, right? Turn it into a file, share project, file, next, call it whatever you want. I'm going to save it to the desktop, save, and boom, it starts working on it, right? And you got the little progress window up here. But I want you to now bring up your activity monitor and look at what iMovie's doing here on disk. It's writing this to disk. It's at 92 megabytes right now. 134, see, so it's working. It's chunking away, making progress. See up here, making progress. And then all of a sudden it stops. Look at 185. It has frozen. That is going nowhere. 185, it is hung. And you can wait all you want. It ain't gonna do anything. So you may say, well, let's try to get out of here. You can actually open this back up and go in and do stuff to it. I wouldn't recommend that because you'll cause other issues. So then you say, well, let's just get out of here. Let's just quit iMovie, start over, trash that. Are you sure you want to quit? Yes. And this will begin the problems here. This will hang. And I'm sure you've got the little spinning wheel of death at some point, you know, where your cursor turns into a little colored Ferris wheel. And yeah, see, it didn't work. Let's try it again. This usually freezes it right here. Quit on, there we go. That thing, right? So this is why I had you bring up activity monitor, so you can see when iMovie freezes, but also now you can get out of it. You can cancel it easily. Hit that little stop, make sure you have it highlighted. Hit the little stop sign, force quit. Okay, that closes it. Now let's try it again. I'll show you the fix here. Relaunch iMovie. Go back in. Now, anytime I'm messing with stuff, I kind of like to make a duplicate just so I don't mess anything else up. I still have the original, even though the original is freezing. We don't want that, but just as a good habit. Okay, so we're going to open this one that we know has been freezing, and here's what works for me. Okay, so here's my whole timeline, right? Is if you ever have any of these sped up parts right here, I'll just play a clip here. A little bit thicker oil. You decide which one you want to do. If you're in doubt, just look at the cap and it says right on it. Normal speed here. Got to remove that. See how I did that? I went fast speed right there. That will corrupt these files a lot of the time. And so what happens is it's the audio. So go to your clip. Now, here's another little clue. Is remember up here that little wheel, that little dial that showed our progress? Where it stops is where it's hanging up on your timeline. So remember that wheel up here was almost a quarter. So that means if we look at our entire length of my movie from there to there, it's hanging up somewhere in this area. at least the first time. Well, lo and behold, that happens to be right where these rabbits are, right where this is sped up. So you need to get rid of the audio. And how you do that, since you don't need that little sound, you know, this little, let's see if I can do it. Oh, it hung up on me again. Yeah, see? Because I tried to play that and it's corrupted. Well, that's all right, and that shows what happens here. Okay, so we're gonna get back out of it. We gotta quit, force quit, get clear out of it. Don't even try to save anything. Launchpad it again. But we're going to get rid of that audio, that sped up audio, that part. We're going to get rid of that. Okay, and here's how you do that if you don't already know. Highlight the clip that audio is on. See where I'm at down here? And then right click it and see where it says Detach Audio. That's what we're trying to do. And what that does is it takes the video and the audio and makes them two separate tracks. See down here? And then just delete that track. You don't need that audio. And since I'm not 100% sure which one it is, this one or this one, I'm just going to delete them both. Delete. And then I've got further ones down here. See, here's one. Now, it didn't hang on this one, but it might, because it only got to these and hung. So I am just going to, I'm going to show you another way. You can go up to Modify, Detach Audio, right? See there and do that. And go through and do that with all your sped up clips. Now, watch the magic. This better work. Save it. Next. We're going to call it that. We're going to replace what's already there. Okay. So now right here, see our progress wheel here and here. We'll watch and see what happens here. And I'll bet it will complete. I'll bet it'll export. If it doesn't, it'll probably go further than this than it did the first time, and it might get hung up on some of those other sped up parts. So we'll see. Yeah, see, it's already made it past. So that's not always the problem, meaning I've made videos with sped up clips before and it had just no issues. But for whatever reason, sometimes that does that. Get rid of that audio. And it has the added benefit of making your file size smaller. You know, you don't need that audio. You don't need that little background sound anyway. And audio takes up a lot of file space. So it makes it easier to handle. And yeah, so far, look at this. We're going to make it through. And you can stay up to date right here. There we go. It made it. We'll get the notification here in a second that it was successful. Okay. We're successful right there. Exported. If this helped you, please subscribe, like. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.